Greetings, road warriors. Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are stepping into a coach that perfectly illustrates why the Itasca Ellipse was such a dominant force in the luxury diesel market. This is the 2010 Itasca Ellipse 40BD. This is a 40-foot coach with only 51,000 miles. It is built on a heavy-duty chassis with 3 enormous slide-outs that completely transform the interior into a wide-open residential layout once you arrive at your destination. Take a look at this stunning profile. We are looking at Itasca's Mahogany graphics package. This is a premium full-body paint finish. Notice how the deep bronze, chocolate, and cream tones flow together. It is a sophisticated, timeless look that commands attention. Because it is an automotive-grade paint finish, it has a depth and shine that reflects the quality of the build. There are no vinyl decals here to peel or fade. This finish is built to last. As we walk the passenger side, you'll notice the power patio awning and the power door awning that create a huge sheltered area for your campsite. You also have a complete window awning package and protective slide toppers over every single slide out to keep your mechanical seals in top shape. Now check this out. This coach is riding on updated 2024 Toyo tires all the way around. You are getting nearly new, high-quality rubber, which is a massive maintenance item you can cross off your list. Right here in the sidewall is your exterior entertainment center, featuring a 32-inch TV, stereo, and speakers. It is the perfect setup for catching the big game or enjoying a movie while you're lounging under that power awning. Throughout this walk-around, notice the polished wheels and the massive glasswork. From the integrated side view cameras to the sleek rear cap and the 10,000-pound trailer hitch, every inch of this Ellipse indicates a coach that has been well maintained. We are going to wrap up the exterior and then dive into the basement to look at the massive mechanical systems that make this 40BD such a legendary performer on the road. Let's move down to the foundation, because the Ellipse is built on the heavy-duty Freightliner Maxum chassis. This is a lowered rail design that provides an incredibly low center of gravity for a smoother ride, and more importantly, much larger basement storage than a standard chassis. With full air ride suspension and full air brakes, this 40-footer feels stable and planted on the highway. Powering your journey is the muscular Cummins ISL 8.9-liter diesel engine. It produces 400 horsepower and a staggering 1,200 foot-pounds of torque. This is paired with the heavy-duty Allison 3006-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain is the gold standard for performance, allowing you to pull mountain passes or merge into traffic with total confidence. When we open up the storage bays, you'll see the advantage of that Maxum chassis: cavernous pass-through basement storage. We have a mega slide-out storage tray included here, making it effortless to reach your heavy gear from either side of the coach. For your off-grid power, we have a large Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator. It has only 660 hours of use and is mounted on its own slide-out tray at the front for easy maintenance. You'll also find 50 amp service on a power cord reel, a Dimensions inverter charger, and a battery disconnect. This coach also features the True Air Residential Central AC and Heat System, which provides quiet and efficient climate control throughout the cabin. Setup at the campsite is a breeze thanks to the automatic hydraulic leveling jacks. To keep you safe on the highway, the integrated camera system gives you total visibility. Every system on this Ellipse, from the Dirt Devil central vacuum to the 10,000-pound hitch, is designed for maximum utility. Let's head inside and see how the luxury continues in the cabin. Step up into the Ellipse and the luxury is immediately apparent. The 40BD floor plan is designed to be a wide-open residential-style retreat. You'll notice the high-quality cabinetry and the sheer amount of floor space created by those 3 enormous slide-outs. This layout actually positions the kitchen at the front, which creates a very unique and open flow into the living area. It's a bright, airy space with premium finishes that really emphasize the prestige of the Ellipse line. It truly feels like a custom apartment on wheels from the moment you step through the door. The middle living room is designed for total relaxation. We have a comfortable Euro recliner and a rest-easy power sleeper sofa. This sofa is a high-end feature that transforms into a bed at the touch of a button, ensuring you can comfortably sleep up to 4 people in this coach. For entertainment, you have a large 40-inch TV perfectly positioned for viewing from the lounge area. The windows throughout this area are massive, letting in plenty of natural light and giving you a great view of your campsite. It is a fantastic social space for relaxing after a long day of adventure. Here off the living area is the dining table with chairs. It provides a clean, residential dining experience with a great view out the window. The front cockpit is a high-end command center, with plush captain's chairs that swivel around to join the social area when you're parked, making the entire front half of the coach one massive living space. The front kitchen is a chef's dream on the road. You have a huge stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, an induction cooktop, and a microwave convection oven. And look at this. It comes with the dishwasher option tucked into the cabinetry. Cleanup is effortless. The residential sink and faucet make prep work easy, and the cabinet storage in this front galley layout is outstanding. It is a very clean, functional space for any culinary task. As we move down the hallway toward the rear of the coach, you can really appreciate the flow of the 40BD floor plan. It separates the active living and cooking areas from the private master suite perfectly. You'll notice more of that beautiful cabinetry along the hall, providing plenty of storage for all your travel essentials. The private bathroom is centrally located and very well appointed. It features a large shower enclosure with glass doors and a skylight that adds a lot of height and natural light. You have a vanity, a sink, a toilet, and a power vent fan to keep the space fresh. It's a clean, functional area with high-end fixtures that really complete the luxury experience of the Ellipse. Long-term traveler, this coach comes equipped with a combination washer and dryer. Having the ability to do laundry on the road is a huge luxury that turns this motorhome into a true, self-sufficient home while you're exploring the country. Welcome to the Master Retreat. What makes the 40BD so special is that you get a massive king-sized bed. Having a king bed on the road is the ultimate luxury for a great night's sleep. One detail I love back here is the ceiling fan, which keeps the air moving and the room comfortable on those warm nights. You have your own 32-inch TV, along with an abundance of drawer storage and a massive wardrobe closet. Because this room is separated from the main living area, it serves as a quiet sanctuary. Large windows on both sides provide great ventilation, and the overall fit and finish back here, from the cabinetry to the lighting, really emphasizes the Itasca quality. Whether you're a weekend warrior or planning on extended travel, this master suite provides every luxury you could possibly ask for. It is a quiet, comfortable space that ensures you get a great night's rest, so you are refreshed and ready for the next day's drive. As we walk back through the coach and head outside, it is easy to see why the 2010 Itasca Ellipse 40BD is such a standout choice. To recap, you are looking at a 40-foot diesel pusher with only 51,000 miles. You're getting the power of the 400-horsepower Cummins ISL engine on the heavy-duty Freightliner Maxum chassis, with updated 2024 Toyo tires all the way around. With a king bed, the Rest Easy power sofa, the dishwasher, and that beautiful mahogany full-body paint, this coach is fully loaded and ready for its next owner. If you want to see this coach in person or have any specific questions, we'd love to hear from you. You can give us a call at 864-2609-276 or send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see more photos and the full specification sheet for this unit. Thank you so much for joining us for this tour at Porter's RV Sales. We take great pride in our inventory and love showing you these high-quality coaches. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming tours. We look forward to seeing you here in Williamston very soon, and as always, happy camping.